In today's world, the desire for freedom, purpose, and financial stability is a common dream. Many find themselves trapped in the monotony of a 9-to-5 job, yearning for that spark of inspiration. Meet Alex, a person just like many others, who spent his morning sipping coffee, contemplating the possibilities beyond his desk. One day, that contemplation transformed into action as Alex decided to pursue the idea of starting his own business, igniting a journey that many aspire to undertake. The first step in Alex's adventure wasn't about crafting an extravagant product. It was about identifying a problem in his surroundings. Observing his friends struggle to find healthy and affordable lunch options, he recognized a golden opportunity. Instead of chasing after elusive inventions, he focused on providing a simple meal prep service tailored for busy professionals. This was a critical lesson for Alex. The essence of entrepreneurship often lies in solving real problems that matter to people. Before diving headfirst into his new venture, Alex understood the importance of research. He asked significant questions. Did people truly want his service? What were they currently spending on meals? Who else was out there attempting the same idea? He smartly gathered feedback by offering free samples, and the enthusiastic responses provided him not only validation, but also eagerly awaiting future customers. Alex learned that assuming can lead to pitfalls. Instead, a careful study of the market paves the way for informed decisions. As he embarked on this new chapter, Alex wisely chose to start small, operating from his kitchen, and securing only 5 paying customers allowed him to focus on quality and customer service without overwhelming pressure. With an affordable website, online payments, and personal deliveries, Alex showcased that grand beginnings are not a necessity. The resolve to effectively utilize available resources becomes the foundation on which successful businesses are built. In nurturing his brand, Alex named his service Fuel Up and developed a community around it. Crafting an inviting logo, sharing insightful content on social media, and displaying customer testimonials helped cultivate trust and familiarity. This reinforced his mission to help professionals enhance their well-being through better eating habits. Ultimately, Alex realized that a brand extends far beyond its name. It embodies an emotional connection. With steady growth, Alex reinvested every bit of profit back into his business. He expanded his team incrementally, upgraded his packaging for a better customer experience, and even transitioned to a commercial kitchen. His emphasis on deliberate and calculated growth, devoid of unnecessary risks or debt, truly defined his approach. Today, Alex's venture flourishes, proving that meaningful changes do begin with one decisive step on the path to self-discovery and success.